Okay, so update. We headed to Smiler and it's not actually open. So they said they don't have a clue when it's going to be open, but at the minute there's no time for it to open today. They're not even testing it. It was completely down. It's 10 and it's still not open. Oh God, I've lost the arm of my sunglasses. So we've decided to just come straight to Cbeebies. There's no wait at the minute for a lot of things, so I thought we might as well come over here, do some of this. I'll keep checking the app for what's it called? Sorry. I'll keep checking the app for Smiler. Then should just keep checking the app and then it'll be open at some point. But also Wicker Man is down, 13 is down, Galactica is down. So the only big ones at the minute that are open are Oblivion and Rita, which I think is absolutely crazy for Bank Holiday Friday, Good Friday, Bank Holiday, and only 2 big rides are open at the minute, which is mad. So we're going to head, well, we're already in Cbeebies land now, so we're going to head round here and we'll see what the girls get up to. Okay, so they've come straight to Go Jetter's Rooms to Zoom ride because it is actually a 0-minute wait. So they literally just walk straight on it. There's a little bit of a queue now, but once this finishes, they'll all be on it. So it is literally a 0-minute wait. It's right next to the Fairchester Hotel, which is like a show. Then they've got the Big Adventure Playground, which is a new one that they did up a couple of years, well, last year I think it was when it reopened. It used to be like Tree Fu Thomas, so that's what it was, it's Tree Fu Tom. But they actually have, if you can just see over there, they have Hey Duggee out as well, meet and greeting people. And normally he gives like stickers as well last time we came. But they've got that there, then behind that is the Dinosaur Adventure, then they've got the Peter Rabbit Hippity Hop. Behind me here is the In the Night Garden. Just a bit further up there is the Postman Pat. But everything at the minute is showing a 0 wait. So it's definitely a time to come if you've got little ones. I would definitely head over to this area of the park first before venturing onto the bigger rides. Obviously if your little ones are only interested in this land, because I know later on in the day it can get very busy. I've seen In the Night Garden ride at like 70 minutes before, so it's definitely worth coming over here first. Okay, so they've come into the Hey Duggee Adventure Park to have their picture of Hey Duggee. It's really, really nice in here. This is all like soft play on the floor. I did do a full video tour of this, but I'll just give you a quick show around now. So they've got a hammock, they've got a little submarine there that you can play in. This is like a massive pirate ship. So you can climb around the front of it, you can go up this, you can go up the slide, you can crawl all the way through it. A lot of this used to be here, it's just been like completely rethemed to different things. Then they've got this little kind of version here for younger children. So they've got like a little ropey bit there you can walk over, a little tiny slide for little ones. Then they've got the big Hey Duggee Clubhouse. So they've got a big swirly slide. Or they've got like a, be careful you don't lose your glasses this time, Matilda. Last time she lost her glasses in there. They've got like this kind of slide here. She lost her glasses climbing up the rope at the back. I'll show you that in a minute. Then they've got a little kind of house here that talks. They've got little slides here in a little tunnel. They've got the bouncy things where you can bounce on the trampolines, talk in the flowers, do the drums, climb on the things over there. Have you gone down? Are you going to the big one? You're going up there to the big one? So last time she was on here, she lost her glasses down here. She was leaning forward and the glasses fell through, and we had to get someone to get a litter picker to come and get her glasses out. But it looks like you can go under here, so you can look out the windows. You can turn the little wheel here. You can climb up here on the rope bit or go up the stairs. Then that's the slide there, and Matilda's gone up to the big slide, which is coming around the side here. And you should pop out there in a minute. Oh yeah, there you are. Did you pop out there? There's lots of seating in here, which I like as well. They've got loads of benches around the edges, so you can sit down. They've got a little shaded canopy over there. I like that the floor is all really soft, lovely decorations. She's going again down the slide. Let's see if we can catch her. She's going on that one again. Oh, she's going on that one now. She was on the big one a minute ago. She's going on the little one now. But it is a really, really lovely little area in here. Okay, so we came out of the Hey Duggee play area and went to Octonauts coaster, and it's 35 minutes, so the timings have definitely come up. But what we did was we just cut through the little big Showtime fun tent thing here, because if you can only go one way round the land. They cut it off for some reason, but if you cut through there, you can then get to the Octonauts coaster and back round to the Treetop Adventure, which is just literally here, the entrance for that. But unfortunately, that's not open either at the minute. So that's something else that isn't open. This is the times that things are on today. So they have Hey Duggee Live, Bing Live, and Teletubbies Live. Something's on now at the minute. Oh, 10:30 was Bing, and it's 10:50. So maybe Bing is on now, or Bing's just finished. I'm not sure. There was people queuing up for something before, so I'm not quite sure if something's going on or there's somebody there to see. Oh, it's Bing and Flop. So you can queue up and have your photo taken Bing and Flop. It's quite a nice area here as well. So they have these deck chairs, the floors are lovely and soft, so perfect for little crawlers and little toddlers. And then they have, oh, it looks like some of these tents aren't open, but a lot of the times that one's not open. But they have like games on the floor here. So each tent has like a different game. So it looks like this one's a game here, but it's just not open at the minute. Oh no, it is, it's Skittles. So you'd have to just kind of set it up yourself, but it's nice, but it's underneath a tent. Then there's another game in the other one. Then they have toilets there as well. They've got a little snack box. You see people like lounging over here. I've seen people moving the deck chairs over and stuff as well before now. So it looks like they've got like a ring toss game in there. They've got like a little game over there on the floor. And then you can also meet Bing and Flop. And then you come out the other side and you're back to where Postman Pat and the Hey Duggee playground is. So it's really easy to just kind of cut through. They're announcing at the last minute now and the Bing and Flop are going to go away. But it is really lovely. It's a lovely little like area to come in. Like I said, the floor's really lovely and soft on the floor. I was just going to go and see what they had for sale here as well. So this is the little shop. So it looks like they've got ice creams and hot drinks. They've got chocolate bars, £1.20, Pringles, £1.50. They've got slushes, and that looks kind of like it. So it's literally just crisp and slushes and things. They're saying Bing and Flop have just finished now. So we're going to head out of this bit and see where we end up now. Okay, so we came out of Big Fun Showtime. Where we came out was just there in front. You can just see the, oh sorry, my phone's picking up my finger. Just there where it says Big Fun Showtime next to the yellow and blue house thing. And we've come to Postman Pat. So this is Postman Pat here. So it's basically just like little cars that they sit in. It self-drives around. And then I think you can like beep the horn and stuff. It has like a little wheel. So it's just like a self-driven kind of little cart round. It's pretty cute though, so at least they can just both kind of sit in there together. I think you can have people sat in the back as well. This is sometimes where you get meet and greets as well. So sometimes people come and meet. Oh, so you can have your photo. Postman Pat ride must take a photo. It's like a photo hut for it there. So this is the Postman Pat ride here. Estimated queue at half an hour. For Postman Pat, yeah, Treetop Adventure isn't working, so I think that doesn't really help that that's shut. Then they've got, what they got round here? Oh, they've got Little Explorer's lunchbox. Now, a lot of the time, that's not open. I'm not sure if I've ever actually been in there. Then they've got, this is just kind of like a little pond area here. Oh, they've got a Little Explorer's big toy shop in there. I didn't know that was there. I'll have a look in that in a minute, maybe. And this is the Bugby Go Round. It's literally half the size of that, little things on the floor, and the thing just goes round. But so you can see it's just like little tiny cars like that. It's almost like the carousel. So the floor moves, but the little things don't move. This is Justin's Pyomatic house that Matilda loves, where you throw balls at everybody. So we'll go in there in a bit. Then they've got the In the Night Garden ride. That's only a 10-minute queue at the minute. And then you get up here, and if you turn left, that takes you back to the Hey Duggee playground, the Octonauts, the Go Jetters thing and stuff like that if you go around that way. And then they've got toilets there. They've got accessible toilets as well. Then they've also got the Jojo and Gran Gran at home. This is a new thing, but again, it's just like a walk around. So we will go and have a little look at it after. It's very, very noisy in here, gosh. Really, really noisy. But just so you can see, this is what it's like inside. So it's like all the balls on the floor. They have the cannons to shoot. They have a slide here. And you're just basically firing balls at people. I'll show you in a bit more detail when I go in with Matilda, but it's very loud in there, so I'm not sure she's going to quite like it, but we'll see. Then like I said, next that is Jojo and Grand's home, which is just basically a little thing that you walk around. There's nothing really in there, you're just basically walking around a little area, and that's all you do in there. So it's just like the house, so you're just basically exploring the house. That's the Go Buggy roundabout there. So you're just basically going around the little house, pressing little buttons and stuff. And then we're back to where we started, where the Postman Pat ride is. So this is the lunchbox place, but like I said, I don't think I've ever seen it open. It looks like it's stocked with stuff today though. So yeah, they've got stuff there. They've got hot drinks, they've got tables and stuff. Maybe it's just more lunchtime that it opens. Got tables outside. Oh, the treetop adventure's going round. I wonder if that's going to open any minute now. I'll have to look at that, because the carts are now going round. You can just see them on that track above there. So they're definitely going round. So I'll have to keep checking on the app for that, because hopefully that's going to open in a minute. And then we're back round to the beginning where we started at Postman Pat. So this is Postman Pat here. You can hear it singing and talking. I'm just going to head round to see whether the treetop adventure is actually open. So like I said, they are going round, all of them are going round, but the app is still saying that it's shut. But I'm hoping that we can possibly be one of the first people on there. But it's kind of like right round the other way now. I probably should have cut through actually that little shortcut I told everybody about that I've then not done myself. But if this isn't open, we're then just going to go to... what did we say we were going to do? Oh, Matilda wants to do Justin's Pyomatic Factory. But then we also want to head over to Galactica, so we can get that done before lunch. Especially since some of the big rides obviously haven't opened yet, so it's pushing all the other rides with huge queues. This is like the I forgot his name. Justin, Mr. Tumble. Like a sensory garden. So you can just kind of walk around it, trying to see if it's open. Still no sign of it opening. Yeah, it's like a sensory garden that you can walk around and stuff. So it's definitely going round. So this is the entrance to it here. So I'm just going to ask somebody and we'll see what they say. So it's basically right where near the Octonauts roller coaster is.